Hi everybody, Dr. Court bringing you another 90 seconds of knowledge, and today we're going to talk about an interesting study that came out that found that coffee can actually prevent mild cognitive impairment from becoming dementia. Now, what is mild cognitive impairment? You can look at mild cognitive impairment as a type of pre-dementia. It's not really dementia, classically dementia, but it's not certainly normal cognitive processing. And this mild cognitive impairment is often diagnosed in the elderly, and it often progresses into dementia. And what they found was that when they tested the serum levels of these patients with mild cognitive impairment, if they had a caffeine level in their blood of over 1,200 nanograms per milliliter, that prevented 100% of the cases of dementia. That's a pretty strong statistic there. What exactly does 1,200 nanograms per milliliter of caffeine represent? Well, it's about 3 to 5 cups daily of coffee, or about 500 milligrams of caffeine. Now, that's quite a bit. Caffeine can have some negative drawbacks. If you have some adrenal issues, caffeine can be a bit of a problem. If you're prone to anxiety, caffeine can be a bit of a problem. We have to take this study with a little bit of a grain of salt because coffee does have some antioxidant properties and can be valuable in that way. But the studies are becoming more clearer and clearer that coffee can be really beneficial, and this is the first study to really address whether it's just the caffeine, and it appears in this case that caffeine was the big deal. Also, we have to consider that cognitive and physical activity make a big difference. The presence of high blood pressure makes a big difference, and then antioxidant intake also makes a big difference, primarily from fruits and vegetables. So if you're looking to reduce your chances of developing dementia, a cup or two of coffee per day is probably a wise decision. There are some antioxidant values in it, and caffeine now appears to be a protective substance. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll be happy to answer them.